Hey, welcome back to Spirit of a Handyman. Today I have a product review for you. It's Spray and Forget. It's a product that is supposed to remove algae and mold and streaky things from your roof and siding. So my father-in-law suggested this based on my roof here, which you can see some of the streaking up here, and then up there, the siding right there. I'll give you a close-up later. There's some algae you can see along the gutter line here. That there's some green stuff growing. So this stuff claims you just spray it on, you let Mother Nature do its thing. So I'm gonna try it. So this video is gonna be in two parts. I'm gonna spray it on here in just a second, and then I'll fast forward a couple weeks and show you. I'll do just like half the house right now so that you can see an unbiased review as to how this product does, because I remain skeptical, but let's see how it does. So I love this little detail, American made, family owned. So we're gonna try this. I'm gonna mix it up in this thing. I've got a little measuring cup-de-doo-dah. And it says, wet all the perimeter landscaping before application. Make sure it's not going to rain or snow for the next 12 hours. Mix 9 parts water and 1 part concentrate. So here we go. All right, so application was super easy. I did this section, like just the lower section, all the way up to about where that window is, and then treated the gutter line subsequently. And then I did the opposite part of the sidewalk. I don't know why. So my sprayer broke, so I ended up just like mixing up this stuff and then dumping it and then kind of spreading it around with a broom. We'll see if that has a negative or positive effect, but I think should work basically the same. I mean, the product says get it wet and then forget it. So here goes. Okay, so it has been 3 weeks and this is what we're looking at. You can even see the old pressure wash lines where I tried to do this last year when I gave up. So this is what this side looks like that I've treated. I've not treated this side. So like right here, you can kind of get a good feel. Treated, untreated. So after 3 weeks, it's done good work. Still feel like this should be whiter, so maybe this was just dirty enough that it needs a second coat. All right, so this section here was treated, this section was untreated. So after 3 weeks, that's the result. This section was treated, this section was untreated. So again, noticeable difference, still not totally perfect. So I'm gonna try a second coat, and I'm gonna leave this one so I really get a good test sample of what that looks like. As far as the shingles go, I sprayed this section here, did not spray this section over here on the right, and you can see right there, there's a little bit of some discoloration. You don't see that discoloration on the other part of the roof. So, okay, mild difference. All right, some mild improvement here in the gutter area. This section of the gutter has already been sprayed. All right, some improvement over this section of the gutter over here. So, not night and day, but it, definitely seems improved. Checking in on our progress with the spray and forget. This section of the sidewalk was sprayed. This section over here was not. I cannot tell a big difference. Like along the edge of the sidewalk, maybe it's a little cleaner, a little crisper. But for the most part, I really can't see a significant difference between this sidewalk and this sidewalk. And actually there you can kind of tell that's the delineation. Not as simple as spray and walk away though. There's still some, needs a couple more coats, I'd say, but definitely better than that. Hey, thanks for joining me on this little adventure of Spirit of a Handyman. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and we'll come back at you with more updates and product reviews in the future. In the meantime, keep doing it.
He's got the spirit of a handyman.